Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Hargunpreet Singh and today I am gonna tell you some very interesting facts. So let's begin our video. Just tell me that why people say bless you when you sneeze. Comment your answer in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and time's up. So the answer is that when you sneeze, your heartbeat stops for a millisecond. This is the reason why people say bless you when you sneeze. Did you know that if a statue of a person in the park on a horse has both front legs in the air, the person died in battle? If the horse has one front leg in the air, the person died as a result of wounds received in battle. If the horse has all four legs on the ground, the person died of natural causes. Did you know that a blue whale can grow up to 110 feet and its weight can go up to 150 tons? The weight of its tongue is only equal to the weight of an elephant. Just tell me that hot water will turn into ice faster or cold water. Type your answer in the comment box in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and time's up. So the answer is that hot water will turn into ice faster than the cold water. Did you know that there are 400 species of shark and one species known as the bull shark has 50 rows of teeth? Like and share this video and subscribe my channel for more interesting facts. Bye bye.